like to introduce ourselves, starting from the right.
My name is Aisyah Arun.
My name is Jatafis Javani.
My name is Zaida Fitri Almira.
My name is Jeffrey Munawar Hakim.
My name is Nahda Fitri Almira.
My name is Reski Putri Siva Pratiwi.
And my name is Shafira Isnida Madani.
And today we would like to presentate our presentation that the title is Student Satisfaction Report.
Even semester 2022-2023.
So I want to presentation about tangible aspect include availability of learning facilities and equipment, learning support facilities, public facilities, and student facilities. The diagram above shows that the distributions of respondents' answer regarding students' perceptions of the facilities and learning responding by the English Language Education Department at Adiwana, Surabaya. So, above the diagram, we can see that 11% about strongly agree category, and 1% in strongly disagree category, and then 81% in the agree category, and 7% in the strongly disagree category, and 0% in neutral category. That means, in about the diagram, the most students choice in agree category. So, all facilities in Adiwana, Surabaya, in terms of tangible aspect, is 3.92 on a scale of 5. This means that students' perceptions of student service in the tangible aspects are almost satisfied with the service provided. Therefore, there is a need for some improvements in terms of tangible aspects. So this is a chart of indicator in tangible aspects. We can look in charts about the tangible one with 3.99 and tangible 2 3.79, tangible 3 4.13, and tangible 4 4.3, and tangible 5 4, tangible 6 3.73, tangible 7 3.76, tangible 8 3.59, tangible 9 3.95, tangible 10 4.50, tangible 11 4, tangible 12 3.92, and tangible 13 3.97. So this is about the average of tangible aspect. Okay. For next slide, I will explain you about reliability aspect. That is reliability of lecturers and educational or administrative staff. Dimension related to the ability to provide promised service well, accurately, and consistently includes the reliability of lecturers and educational and administrative staff. Okay, the above image shows that the distribution of respondents' answers regarding students' perceptions of the ability to provide promised services in the English Education Study Program at PGRI Adiwana, Surabaya is as follows. We can see that 11% in the category very appropriate, and 85% in the appropriate category, and then we see that 0% in category quite appropriate, and 4% in the less appropriate category, and 0% in Readability 1, 4.3, and Readability 2, 4.7. Readability 4.8. Readability 4, 4.4. And Readability 5, 4.3. Readability 6, 4.7. Readability 7, 4.8. Readability 8, 4.3. And Readability 9, 4.7. Readability 10, 3.99. And Readability 11, 3.99.
So I want to explain that all the charts of indicator aspect is count by the average.
Okay, so based on respondents' answer choices and multiplied by the answer scores, the satisfaction index of students regarding the ability to provide promised services in the English Education Study Program at University PGRI Adibwana Surabaya in terms of reliability aspect is 4.4 on a scale of 5. This means that student perceptions of the reliability aspect of services are categorized as good regarding the provided services.
Okay, so I will explain to you guys about the responsiveness aspect. Responsive attitude. Attitude dimensions in providing services quickly and responsively. So as you can see, the pictures above, it shows that the distributions of respondents' answers to aspects of fast and responsive service in the English Language Education Study Program, PGRI Adibwana University Surabaya, is 13% in the very satisfactory category, 78% in the satisfactory category, and the 0% in the quite satisfactory category, 6% in the unsatisfactory category, and the last 3% in the very unsatisfactory category. Based on the respondents' answers, choice, and multiplied by the answer score, the student satisfaction index for the speed and responsiveness of service in the English Language Education Study Program, PGRI Adibwana University Surabaya. The responsiveness aspect is 3.91 on a scale of 5. So this means that the students' perception of fast and responsive service are included in the responsiveness category and are in the good category for the service provided. So it is necessary to make some improvements to increase student satisfaction in the aspect of responsiveness. Thank you. So as you can see the chart here. The rest 1 is 3.81. The rest 2 is 4.03. Rest 3, 4.5. Rest 4, 3.83. And the rest 5, 3.84.
This slide is about assurance aspect. From the picture above, it can be explained that respondents' answers regarding students' perceptions of faculty and staff abilities are seen from the perspective of first, knowledge, the second one is quality of friendliness, and the third is attention and attitude. In the diagram, we can see that as many as 12% of students choose the very appropriate category. 81% in the appropriate category, and the 0% in the fairly appropriate category, 5% in the less appropriate category, and the last is 2% in the not appropriate category. Based on respondents' answer choices and multiplied by the answer scores. The student satisfaction index on the assurance aspect is obtained as 3.95 on the scale of 5. This means that students' perceptions of the assurance aspects are in a good category regarding the service provided. Next, analysis chart of assurance aspect. The first assurance aspect is 4, and the second is 3.76, and the third 4.8, and the fourth is 3.88, and the last is 4.3.
I will convey about percentage empathy. Aspect of empathy, understanding the interests of students. This dimension covers the ability of lecturers and educational staff to communicate and make effort to understand the desires and needs of students. Based on a figure above, it shows that the distribution of respondents' answers regarding the perception of the ability of lecturers and educational staff to communicate and make effort to understand the desires and needs of students in the English language education study program in PGRI Adibuana University, Surabaya. And this percentage empathy is as follows: 13 fall into the category of very suitable, and 79 into the suitable category, and 1% into the category of fairly suitable, 6% into the category of less suitable, and 2% into the category of non-suitable. Based on the respondents' answer choice multiplied by the answer scores, the student satisfaction index of the English language study program, University of PGRI Adibuana, Surabaya, in the aspect of empathy is 396 on a scale of 5. And this is a charge empathy aspect. A1 3.95 and A2 3.30 or 18.7 and A3 3.96 and A4 is 4.1 and for the last A5 is 4.1.
And the last presentation, we will give a conclusion and suggestion from the student satisfaction report.
So, the conclusion of the analysis of student satisfaction report, overall the service of the English education study program at PGRI Adibuana Surabaya are considered good by the respondents in the 5 aspects prior. This indicates that students receive good service from the English education study program at University PGRI Adibuana Surabaya. The analysis show that the average of the 5 aspects, which consists of 1. Tangible aspect, availability of learning facilities and equipment, supporting learning facilities, public students, and facilities for students with special needs. The second, reliability aspect, reliability of lecturer and educational staff, administrative staff. Third, responsiveness aspect, responsiveness attitude. Fourth, assurance aspect, treatment towards students. And the last, empathy aspect, understanding of the students' interests. All service dimension fall within the scale of 3 until 5, meaning that the service quality is classified as good.
And there are several aspects that need to be improved. First, tangible aspect regarding the facilities provided to support academic and non-academic activities. Second, reliability aspect regarding to ability to provide service such as the allocation of lecturer teaching time. Third, responsiveness aspect regarding the attitude in providing service quickly and responsively, including adibuana. Fourth, improvement and repair of educational facilities and infrastructure, national and local curriculum development. So, this should be a valuable input to improve the quality of service better.